What's going on, everybody? Luna Nebula on her backup channel here. Today we are checking out the Yokai Watch. Well, these are just the medals. And this is the watch itself. It's $15 at Target, at Walmart, bleh, and $21 at Kmart. I got this at Walmart for $15. You can even wear it. Alright. So when you close the watch, it looks like this. And when you open it, yes. And this is the last one they had in Walmart until they had to get like a new stock. Gotta adjust it a bit. There we go. And right now I have 9 medals. The watch comes with 2 basic ones. And here they are now. Whisper. Let's go ahead and pop that bad boy in.
What's up, my corporeal friend? I am Whisper, at your service.
I love it, but sadly, Whisper doesn't have a tribe, so that's kind of sad. And now we're gonna pop Jibanyan in.
Summoning Charming!
There's a little delay.
Jibanyan! Pretty busy right now.
Typical Jibanyan. And trying to look for another one. Here is Signibble, who I thought was Electabuzz, but apparently I was wrong. So let's pop him in. He is part of the Mysterious tribe, along with Tattletale, which I have.
Signibble! Zap, zap!
Okay, that's creepy. Alrighty, who should we try out next? And here, all-time favorite, Tattletale. Ah, crap. Tattletale. Along with Signibble, she is in Mysterious tribe. So let's go ahead and pop her in.
Summoning Mysterious!
Take her out. Now, who else? Alright. Here's everybody's second favorite, Hungramps. Let's go ahead and pop him in. He's part of the Heartful tribe.
Summoning Heartful! Sing, Heartful, sing, la la la, everywhere Heartful. Hungramp.
I'm not going to scan all my medals, but I'm going to go ahead and pop Jibanyan back in and show you the downsides of the medals, if I can do it. It did it for me once, and I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do it again. There, you just heard it! Did you hear that? Did you hear that? I'm pretty sure you heard that. Anyway, now let's try that again. You heard that! You seriously heard that! Now watch what I do. Alright, I take the medal out. Here's the medal. Then I pop it back. Ugh. Oh crap. Oh well, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work, but here's the next one.
Who
Omega, I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but I don't care.
Sit here if you want.
KK. Actually, I want to come with. Anyway, this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the Yokai Watch introduction. And I see you all later. Bye!